Hi everyone, this is the last week of the open collaboration hashtag Live to Cook 2022 that is hosted by Cooking with the Naughty. This last week is hashtag Heart on a Plate. And what does that mean? It means to describe yourself as to why your cooking style is the way it is. What represents you and what you're making today would be like putting your story on a plate. So my story starts about 21 years ago. I was married to my second husband. We were married for almost 20 years, and he died of colon cancer at the age of 54. Well, that found me being newly widowed, a full-time working mom with 7 kids, 5 of them still being home. So I had to, of course, make sure they were fed. And as you notice in a lot of my videos, I do slow cooker dishes. Well, that's where it started off at, because I had to work full time and I didn't want to be cooking all night after I got off work and feed the kids early enough that they could get their homework done and go to bed. I did a lot of slow cooker recipes, and they needed to be easy so I can throw them in the crock pot on my way out to work. And being as I've had several kids, they all had different tastes. So I cook a lot of chicken because all my kids love chicken. That started my cooking style. So today, and I could have went with a little bit more of a not so easy recipe. I've progressed a little bit since then. All my recipes are still easy, but they're not super simple for the most part. But I'm going back to my beginnings today, and I'm going to be fixing Sweet Baby Ray's Crockpot chicken, and it is super simple. What all goes into the Sweet Baby Ray's Crockpot chicken? 4 to 6 chicken breasts, 1 bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This is 40 ounces. It's a huge bottle. I'll probably only use about half. I'll judge that when I get everything all mixed up. 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/4 cup brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So let's begin. I do want to stress that Dave has helped me get out of my shell and cook other things besides slow cooker meals, and I appreciate him for that. But I do fall back on that a lot because he's on the road 100+ hours a week, and he doesn't always get home when he says he is. So if I have it in the crock pot, then I know it will be nice and warm when he does get home. So take a medium-sized bowl and dump in all the ingredients except for the chicken. I'm going with 20 ounces of the barbecue sauce. May make it a little bit more than I need, but I'd rather have more than not enough. Next will come the 1/4 cup of vinegar, the 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I don't want it to splash. The 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and the 1 teaspoon of the red pepper flakes. Just mix that until it's well incorporated. So take your slow cooker, and as you know, I always use a slow cooker liner, and that also stems back from when I was a full-time working single mom. I didn't want to have to do a whole lot of cleanup after we ate. So this is such an easy cleanup. I'm only using 4 chicken breasts because they are huge, and you put them in the crock pot. This may take longer than it states, being as they are so huge. I couldn't get 6 in there if I wanted to. Now that the chicken is in the slow cooker, we will just pour the sauce all over the chicken. And make sure that the chicken is all covered. Put the lid on. So turn it on to low and cook it 4 to 6 hours or until the internal temperature of the chicken is 165. So I'll see you back in 6 hours. So going with the idea of having an easy meal like I fixed with the kids, here's the Sweet Baby Ray's BBQ Crockpot chicken, and rounding out the meal is canned maple cured bacon baked beans, which is this, and microwavable roasted sea salt and black pepper potatoes, which are these. Let's see what Dave thinks.
That's good. So, am I supposed to be taste testing the chicken?
Yeah.
I should have asked that before I started to eat, maybe. That's good. It's the sauce is kind of sweet, but it's got a little bit of a kick to it. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.